Hello guys, I am Shubham Kirme. So our today's Viva topic is what is a copy constructor in Java. Yesterday we have seen that the difference between this and super keyword in Java. So let's move towards the today's topics. Sometimes a developer falls into a critical situation where he needs to create a duplicate but exact copy of an existing object of a class. He wants to create a separate copy but the exact when one of the existing objects such that the charges made in the duplicate copy and it work reflects on the original object and also vice versa. Java makes the possible by providing a concept of copy constructor. Java copy constructors are the special type of constructor in Java that we are used to create a duplicate of the existing object of a class. In the article, we will learn about how to create use of copy constructor with the examples. What is a Java copy constructor? A copy constructor in Java is a special type of constructor that is used to create a new object using the existing object of a class, and that we will have created as already. If we create the object by initialize the object with the instance of the same class, the Java copy constructor provides a copy of the specified object by taking the argument as the existing object of the same class. Java does not implicitly provide the facility of a copy constructor as in C language, but we can define it by copying the values of one object to another object. So, how to creating a copy constructor in Java? To create a copy constructor in Java, we need to first declare a constructor that takes of an object of the same as type of as parameter. After declaring a copy constructor, we need to copy each field of input object of the class, and we need to create the input object of the class into the new object. If there is a multiple data type in a Java program, then we can create a deep copy rather than a shallow copy, to that the newly created object becomes independent of the existing objects. So there are the few advantages of copy constructor in Java. First advantage is the copy constructor in Java has several advantages that are encourages the Java developer. That is used to it is used to in the Java code. So let's discuss these advantages one by one. So first the advantage is the copy constructor. It is easier to use when our class contains complex objects with the several parameters. Whenever we want to add any field to our classes, then we can do so just by changing the input to the constructor. One of the most crucial importance of copy constructor is that there is no need for any type casting. That is the advantage of copy constructor. The third one advantage is copy constructor allow us to change the fields that declare as a final. So using a copy constructor, we can have complex control over the object creation, creating duplicate objects without using a copy constructor. So how to create the objects without using copy constructor? We can also create a copy of an object without using a copy constructor, just assigning the one object to another.